Hi, and welcome to the course that is Introduction to Python Programming Language. So, what is Python basically? Python is a high level interpreted language that lets you to work quickly and integrate systems more effectively. Okay. Basically, in simpler terms, Python is a high level language, which means there is an interpreter which is going to convert high level language code into the machine language and vice versa. In Python, we do have interpreter, which is going to convert machine language into high level language and vice versa. Okay. Python is relatively simpler as compared to the other programming language because in this the syntax is very simple, and in this we are not supposed to put semicolons, we are not supposed to put brackets, okay, in order to define a block or in order to terminate a statement. In this, we just need to take care of the spaces, which is why Python is also known as space sensitive language. Okay, let's just have a quick view of the topics that we are going to cover in this course. Okay, so first of all, we will be covering that how we need to install Python. Okay, sometimes we know that okay, Python is going to work like this. Python is a high level language or it is using interpreter, but we don't know how to install that. So during this course, in my very first video, I'm going to explain you that how you can install Python. Next, we are going to discuss Python introduction. We are going to discuss in very brief what is Python actually. Then we are going to discuss what are the various data types which are available in Python, which includes your strings, numbers, okay. Then we are going to discuss each and every data type in detail with the help of example, okay. Actually, in this course, we are focusing more on example rather than theory, okay. So first of all, we are going to discuss numbers, that how we can deal with the numbers, okay. Then we are going to discuss what is a Python list, okay. That is also known as collective data type. If I want to have more than one item using one single name, that is known as list. Then we have tuples. Tuples are similar to list, but tuples don't allow us to make any changes in them. Okay. Then we have Python sets. Sets are similar to the sets that we must have done in mathematics. Even if you don't remember those sets, there is no problem because I have discussed that in detail. Okay. Then we have discussed Python dictionary, which is an exclusive feature of your Python, that in this we can define dictionary. Okay. Then we have conditional constructs, in which we are going to cover that how we can run a group of statements on the basis of some condition. Then we have loops in Python. Under this we are going to cover while loop and for loop. And last but not the least, we are going to cover jump statements in Python, which includes your break statement, continue statements or pass statement. Okay. I hope you will enjoy this course. I hope you will learn basics of Python very clearly in this course because I have tried to put more focus on the examples, and with the help of example I have tried to explore each and every aspect of one particular thing. Okay, so let's meet you inside the course. Okay, bye bye.